In this vid, I'm going to be opening up this sealed Japanese box of Hail Blizzard. So this is a Japanese set that isn't nearly as big as the English sets. It was released with Psycho Drive, so that's kind of why what English got was a combined set of both of these sets. Yeah, so there's 3 EXs in this set: Groudon, Kyurem, or Kyurem, however you say it, and Regigigas. 2 shinies, Emboar and Chandelure, and the EXs come in both the regular and the full art forms. So there's pretty much 6 ultra rares and 2 shinies to pull in this box. So let's hope that we get some good luck. And I had some really awesome pulls from my Psycho Drive box, which since I'm not quite sure of the schedule, if I'm going to stick to the schedule I have now yet. I don't know if that's already uploaded or not, but I can tell you I got some good stuff. This is a first edition box. There's a first edition box right there. 3rd series of the Black and White series. 20 packs in a box and 5 cards per pack. So, let's go ahead and get started. The Japanese set, or the Japanese packs, are a little more difficult for me to open. I don't like cutting my packs open with scissors. It's just a personal preference. However, if these continue to bother me as much as this particular pack is, I don't know why this first pack is giving me such a hard time, then I may start doing that in the future. Like I said, it's just a personal preference. There, it finally came open. So, while I was doing the Psycho Drive opening, I kind of noticed that the second to last card tends to be the rare card. However, that's not a guarantee. That's typically where the holo and EX is, but it can also just be an uncommon card. So I'll kind of be saying potential rare throughout this video. So here we go with a Litwick, a Pidove, a Pansage, and a Patillo. I'm probably not going to get all the names of the new Pokemon right, so I know I'll be corrected, but oh well. And then a little advertisement. And my possible rare is not a rare, but a uncommon Pokemon Center. So here's to hoping that the second pack isn't going to be nearly as bad as the first one. Okay, really? A lot of Japanese packs have been giving me trouble, but nothing like this. Wow. I mean, this is almost just, I'm honestly worried at this point that I'm going to bend the cards trying to get them out of the plastic. Okay, so this is just, there it comes. I actually ordered this at the same time with the Psycho Drive box, so I don't really think I have to worry about anything like the seal being, or like these things being in the heat too much. Okay, so really, look at this. This is how hard it is to open up some of these Japanese packs. That crinkle that I heard that I thought was the pack finally splitting open was actually just the cellophane, that extra layer ripping. So, yeah, this is just oh, there it goes. I was about to say, I'm just gonna go get the scissors. This is actually a different advertisement than I've seen in some of the other ones. So, that's actually kind of cool. With Mewtwo on the back. I'll have to kind of look through, so here's all the ones from Psycho Drive. Yeah, this one's definitely different. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, entertained by the advertisements. Lampent. Maybe this is Patillo, and the other one is its evolved form. Jigglypuff, and Pokemon Center. My potential rare is not a rare, but a Bohemian, I think. Oh, I should put the Pokemon Center there. Alright, so if this pack gives me as many problems as the first two, we're gonna have to just bust out the scissors. Okay, well that wasn't too bad. Bronzong, I think. Or no, Bronzor. I'm sorry. Bronzong is the evolve form, I think. Yeah, Bronzor. Growlithe. Elgin. That's it. Elgin. And a Bohemian. And my potential rare, Chandelure Hollow. Awesome. The Fire Chandelure Hollow is pretty cool. I haven't tried it out in a deck or anything like that. However, it's first attack, it's a nice spreading. It's meant for a spread deck. It does 30 to the active, then 30 to 2 of the bench Pokemon. So I really wish it was... Okay, I'm going for the scissors, because this is just absolutely ridiculous. I've never had to use scissors on a booster pack before. But yeah. I guess maybe my fear is that, you know, even though you would shake the cards a little bit to get them near the bottom, one of the cards wouldn't be there, and you'd accidentally nick it with the scissors. Cool advertisement. I like the Zekrom Mushroom. Deerling? Pidove? This is a Pidove's evolved form. I don't know what it is. Cubchoo. Evolves into Beartic. And a Heavy Ball. And my potential rare? Nice! A Bisharp Hollow, which actually someone sent me this card as an extra in a trade, and I hung on to it in case I wasn't able to pull it from this set. But now that I have, I can go ahead and put one up for sale. And so this is probably going to be a longer video as far as just opening up the packs, because I'm paranoid when I'm using scissors around Pokemon cards. Kirlia. Darumaka. That's it, Darumaka. Poniard. And Beartic. Potential rare. Nice! An Arcanine Hollow. So with these sets, there's like less than 10 hollows in a set. Let's go ahead and try and open this. The nice... Oh! That's never happened before. Huh. Well, good thing is that the rare card is in the middle, so if that actually hurt anything, it would only hurt the card on the front. Yeah, everything else is fine. Weird. Pikachu. Sneasel. Lucario. Or, sorry, Riolu. Riolu revolves into Lucario. And, Creonagol. My potential rare is a nice rare, Regigigas EX. So, I've got some nice sleeves right here to go ahead and just keep it minty fresh. Luckily, that exploding pack did not damage the card whatsoever. So, excellent. Yeah, so for some reason that pack went a lot easier. Vanillish, Wigglytuff, Ralts. Oh, they evolve form a Deerling, which is some big deer. I do have the set list right next to me. I suppose I could look it up. Oh, the other bird was a Tranquil. And what is the big deer? Sawsbuck. That's it, Sawsbuck. And my potential rare is a Bronzong, which is an uncommon. And it looks like this is a pack that's going to have to be cut. Riolu, Tranquil, Deerling, and Beartic. Potential rare, if I can pick it up, is not a rare, but a Raichu. That is the first Raichu, though. Let's get this empty pack out of the way. Okay, this is just, it's way too tedious for me to have to cut each individual pack open, and I risk damaging the cards if I really struggle with fighting it open, so I'm not liking this booster opening. If nothing else, is that it's taking me forever to get into the packs. Wigglytuff, Lampet, Vanillish, Weavile. Did I say the other one was a Weavile or a Sneasel? I don't know, but this is Weavile, obviously. And my potential rare, nice, a Gardevoir. This would have been a good opening for AceBlade258 to come into. You saw that he helped me out with my Secret Wonders opening, and you'll notice throughout the big booster opening there's a few other ones that he'll pop up in. Excellent, it opened. Gardevoir is that line is his favorite line of Pokemon, so yeah, this would have been a really good set for him to stick around for, but he didn't, so oh well. Darumaka, Pidove, Hippopotamus, that's the first for that one. Pokemon Center, and my potential rare is another Vanillix, or not another Vanillix holo, but another holo, which is Vanillix. That is the one that I forget what it's called, like Frosty Wind or Icy Wind or something. It's pretty cool. If it's an ability that says if you switch, or that allows you to switch your active with one of your benched during your turn, and if you do, your opponent has to do the same. So as long as you keep something with free retreat, it's a great way to force something from your opponent's bench into the active position to hopefully take a knockout. If nothing else, it's more of a disruption Pokemon. Ponyard, Cubchoo, Kirlia, and Darmanitan. That's a rare in the English set. My potential rare, Zapdos holo. Excellent. Well, actually, I was going to say something, but that would kind of be a spoiler to the other box. And either I haven't uploaded the other box yet, or you may not have seen it yet. So definitely don't want to say that. But that is cool to get that Zapdos. That Zapdos actually is playable right now. It works pretty well in current Zeal decks because Zeal also runs DCE and Lightning, which is what Zapdos really needs. And it looks like this is going to be another pack where I'm going to have to cut it open. Ralts, Petilil, Growlithe, Creonagle, and my potential rare is not a rare, but is it Lilligant? I guess that's it. Petilil, yeah, Petilil evolves into Lilligant. So, sorry about that earlier, me messing that up. Okay, there's another, like, exploding pack. It's like you put a lot of force on it, and it does nothing, and then all of a sudden it's like, it just gives way. Although I wonder if the exploding packs are the EX packs. That would be pretty funny, actually, if I pulled another EX. Elgin, Bronzor, Pansage, and Darmanitan. And my potential rare is a Sillin. So first Sillin of the box, but not another EX. So exploding packs do not equal EXs. Good to know. Pikachu! That's not the first Pikachu, is it? Sneasel, Jigglypuff, and the first DCE. Beautiful DCE. I kind of like this artwork on that as well. Oops, I kind of knocked the camera there. Let's knock it back. My potential rare is not a rare, but an Amoonguss. But I think that's the first Amoonguss. So let me just clean up this stack a bit, set it to the side. And only one EX pull so far, the Regigigas, but we still have, actually not that many packs left. 6 packs left. So here's hoping Yeah, there's something up with these packs, just they're not opening up quite right. Vanillish, which that's the first Vanillish. Litwick, second Litwick. Fungus, which I think that's the first Fungus too, so that's really cool. And a Raichu. And my potential rare is a Lucario holo. So lots of holos so far, just not getting very lucky on the EX pulls, at least not compared to the Psycho Drive box so far. That's a slight spoiler there for you, but hopefully not a major spoiler. Hippopotas, Vanillish, Litwick, and Lapras. That's the first Lapras. And my potential rare, if I can pick it up, is a, not a rare, but a Simisage. But it is the first Simisage. Or Simisage. I have people that correct me to say Simisage, and I have people that correct me to say Simisage. So I don't think it really matters, but whichever is your favorite, it's the little grass monkey. This one's kind of weird. It opened up from the front rather than from the back. Ralts, Tranquil, Fungus, and Sawsbuck. My potential rare. Oh, my first full art EX. Sleeve, need a sleeve. Groudon EX, full art. And this is the new Groudon EX that was just released in English as well. So another, cool thing on top of that. But nice. You can just, especially when I turn it in the light, you can kind of see all the, yeah, just awesome. So there's like 3 packs left. So since I pulled the full art EX, probably not going to get another EX in this box. Be great if I did, don't get me wrong, but not really counting on it. So looks like this is going to be another one to be cut open. We have Vanillite, Wigglytuff, Darumaka, and Heavy Ball. I feel like there's another trainer in this set that I have not pulled yet, oddly enough. Pokemon Center, DCE, Heavy Ball, and so on. No, actually, I'm wrong. Okay, that's a little suspense now for the potential rare, which is a Hippowdon. So not a rare, however, don't have that card yet. And here we go. Oh, nope, 2 more packs. About to say, last pack. Would be awesome to pull a shiny, which are the secret rares. Are they secret rares in this set? Yes, they are. Actually, it looks like the full art EXs are technically secret rares as well. Groudon is number 55 out of 52. So that's kind of, well, not really terribly odd, but a little different. We've got Bronzor, Growlithe, Pansage, and Beartic. And for my potential rare, another Chandelure holo. Excellent. So, last pack. I think I've probably pulled most, if not all, of the holos, and now have a duplicate holo. 2 EXs, one being a full art, and since that one is a full art, looks like I'm going to have to cut this last one too. Since that last one is a full art, I'm probably not going to pull another EX, but it'd be cool to pull another holo. It would actually be kind of cool to pull another Gardevoir holo just to, well, show off to Ageblade 258. Let's see, but Chandelure is my favorite holo of the set, so it's kind of cool that I actually pulled 2 of them. Hippopotas, Vanillite, Fungus, and a Weavile. So here we go with the potential rare last card of the set, and oh, okay, good news and bad news. Bad news, obviously not an EX. Good news, it's an Unpheasant, which I don't have yet. So, overall, really amazing pulls, and let's go ahead and show what my set of this looks like so far. So here's what I have complete so far of the Hail Blizzard series. So, first page is nice and complete, always like to see that. However, it doesn't really have any hollows on it, so it's not all that impressive. Second page is also complete with 3 hollows. I do have a spare, I believe it's the only spare hollow that I have is a spare Chandelure hollow. Right there I am missing Kyurem EX. Right there, I'm missing, what is that? Groudon EX? Yeah, Groudon EX. Oh, duh, because I pulled the full art. This page is nice and complete with the Regigigas EX. Oh, I do have a spare Hollow Bisharp. It was sent to me as an extra in a trade, and I hung on to it just in case I didn't pull it in this box, but since I have, that one will now be up for trade. Everything complete here, except for now we're getting into the full art EXs. So we'll zoom in again on that full art Groudon EX. Absolutely beautiful card. So then I'm still missing Kyurem EX full art, Regigigas EX full art, and the 2 secret hollows, or secret rares, whatever you want to call them, Emboar and Chandelure, the 2 shinies. So pretty happy overall though with this set. You're able to complete most of it in one box with just a few ultra rares missing, so really not bad at all. So stay tuned for tomorrow's Wizards of the Coast Monday.